going to make a Pong clone today. Let's call that Not Pong. Excellent name. If you don't know what Pong is, where have you been for the last 50 years? But basically, it's virtual table tennis, so the first thing you have to do is get a ball to appear on the screen. Let's see if we can do that. There you go, that's a ball. It's a square ball, but it's a ball. Alright, fine, let's make it round. And while we're at it, we can center it on the screen too. Let's go! That's a ball. With that out of the way, it's time to get the ball rolling. Alright, I'm sorry, that was a bad pun. It's time to get the gameplay started, and let's get a ball moving. Let's see if I can manage to not mess that up first try. Nope, first try's a no-go. Second try? Nope. Third? Fourth? Fifth? Actually, on that fifth one, you can just see the ball exit the frame, so I think I'm onto something. I think if we slow it down just a little bit, we should be good to go. Let's go! I'm way too excited about this. Alright, now we need to get this thing bouncing off the walls. Harder than a 5th grader that just drank a Mountain Dew. Hey, that looked way better than it should first try for me. You guys should be proud. But it's not working exactly how I want, so let's get it cleaned up. Sweet. Alright, now that that's cleaned up, let's throw some paddles on the screen. Oh, Mom! Mom, I'm making a YouTube video. No, I'll call you back later. Okay, gosh, bye. Alright, where was I? Oh yeah, paddle. Alright, let's get that paddle on the screen. With the paddle on screen, we just gotta let the user interact with the paddle now by dragging. And the way that the ball collides with the paddle is basically the same as it collides with the walls. So as you can imagine, me being a terrible developer, that took way longer than it was supposed to take. The non-player character shows up in red. His code is just copy-paste what the player character is, except for his very complex AI, which is powered by ChatGPT, which allows it to track the ball across the board. Now that the paddles are on screen and moving around, they have one more trick up their sleeves, and that is, depending on the version of Pong you play, either the height on the paddle that the ball hits or however fast the paddle is moving will determine how fast the ball comes off of that paddle. And so for my version, it's where the ball hits on the paddle. So if it hits far left on the paddle, it's going to fly off to the left. If it hits far right, it's going to fly off to the right. If it hits right in the middle, it's just going to go straight. This was by far the hardest part, but I did get it working. Alright, let's take a look. Wow, that still looks terrible, but that's just because you can't lose yet. So let's implement all that kind of stuff. Losing, winning, point scoring, and a couple other nice UI features. Alright, it's ready. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so I lost 3-0 in a game I made to an AI I created. But I had a lot of fun doing it. This was a lot different than my normal videos, which are tutorials. If you want me to do a tutorial on how to make a game in Compose, or if you want me to do another one of these videos, let me know. Otherwise, watch one of my tutorials over here, or maybe it's a different video. I don't know, but it'll be right there. Later.